A/B testing and continuous improvement. What is this? So welcome back. I'm Savan Kumar and today we will be diving into A/B testing and continuous improvements. Two key practices that can dramatically enhance the effectiveness of your content marketing. By embracing these approaches, you will be able to make data-driven decisions that improve engagement and conversion rates. A/B testing. What is that? It's also known as split testing. Involves comparing two versions of a web page, email, or other marketing assets to see which one performs better. To tell you further, you can also do A/B testing with your email subject lines, email body, email content, the web page, a particular CTA on a web page, a particular type of content on the web page. So these could be different forms of split testing or A/B testing. You change one element like a headline, image, or CTA, call to action, while keeping everything else consistent, and you compare where are you getting better conversions. This method allows you to isolate the impact of that one change on your audience behavior. It's a powerful way to find out what really resonates with your audience. To start with, setting up an A/B test involves a few key steps. First is to identify your goal, whether it's increasing email open rates, boosting click-through rates, or improving page conversions. Next is creating your A version and your B version with just one key difference between them. So if your A version of a landing page is there, the B version will have only one change. That could be the change in the headline or could be the change in a CTA. Rest everything of it, of both the A and the B version, remains exactly the same. Then split your audience randomly. This you can do using different tools and serve each half one version of the content. It's crucial to ensure that the sample size and test duration are sufficient to gather meaningful data. After running the test, analyze the results to see which version achieved the goal more effectively. Tools like Google Optimizely, or even built-in features in email marketing platforms can automate much of this process and provide detailed analytics for you. Remember, the key to successful A/B testing is continuous iteration. So you compare the headline A with headline B. Once you figure out, okay, headline B works better than headline A, you move on to the next thing, that is changing the CTA. So CTA 1 with CTA 2. While keeping the headline 2 constant now. Now when you have headline 2 with CTA 1 and CTA 2, you see that the CTA 1 performs better. So the headline 2, CTA 1. The next is you change something else, the image maybe, and so on. So you keep iterating this and keep improving. Each test will lead to new insights and subsequent tests, refining your approach gradually. Continuous improvement ties closely with A/B testing. It's about not settling for good enough. Instead, continually seek ways to make your content more effective. This involves regularly reviewing performance data, soliciting feedback, and staying updated on new trends and technologies. The cycle of planning, executing, reviewing, and refining should be a foundational practice in your content marketing strategy. This iterative process helps you adapt to change in audience preferences and marketing conditions. So the idea is that you plan, you execute, you review, you refine. You get back to plan with the refined data, refined information. You go back to planning and then again execute, review, and refine. So you keep planning, executing, reviewing, and refining, and keep coming back to the first step. And that wraps up our lesson on A/B testing and continuous improvement.